Lara lumapit kay Kuya.
Lara?
Kung okay lang, gusto ko na sanang ituloy dun sa next exercise.
Ipaliwanag mo nga sa akin yung last exercise.
Medyo mahirap. Actually, ang tawag ko sa exercise is the light portion. Masakit man sa loob ko na gawin, pero I think they need to know kung ano yung constructive na criticism, ano yung mga below the belt lang talaga na bashing. So, I will point out mga hindi maganda, kunwari, na nakikita ko sa kanila after nitong exercise. They will realize kung paano talaga, kung na ganun talaga ang mundo. Marami talagang insensitive and they have to prepare for that. In order para ma-prepare sila sa ganung bagay, they need to learn how to deal with it. Oops, is that how a beauty queen stands? I want you to walk from there to there. Yep. You said sumasali ka na ng pageants? Doesn't look like it. How many pageants have you joined?
4.
4 na?
Yep.
Pero I don't see someone who's been joining pageants.
Rampa na one-on-one. And then, pagka mamaya, Kuya, she is becoming impatient. Tapos, sinasabi niya po, Kuya, na mga things na any girl would be insecure about.
Can you see? You look a bit chubby. Di ba ang taba? Pati ng face mo? What will you do about it? Oh, where's your smile? Do you think your parents will be proud of you?
Kasi even though, Kuya, I look confident, bawat tao meron silang insecurities about themselves.
You need to lose weight and you're too wobbly. Kailangan nilang tibayan yung loob nila. Tinibayan ko din yung loob ko kasi masakit sa akin gawin. Kasi alam ko yung pinagdadaanan nila, alam ko yung pakiramdam na pagod na nga ako. Sinusunod ko naman lahat ng ginagawa mo. Bakit kailangan mo pa akong ganyanin? Look at yourself in the mirror. Do you agree with me that you're chubby? Nalalakihan ka sa mukha mo? Yes or no? Yes? Do you think you're fit to be a beauty queen? Kung chubby yung face mo? Well, why are you crying? Sige, you keep on practicing outside. Mahirap din maging coach kasi talagang na-identify mo yung sarili mo with them.
Matapos ang one-on-one ni Kisses at Coach Lara,